Good morning 5A and 5B. Good morning everyone. It's Dr. Ale and I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are taking good care of yourselves and I hope that you are studying well and staying safe. Please study hard and don't hesitate if you have any questions. Just send it to me on Class Dojo. I am always ready to help and I'm always ready to clarify any hard parts for you, okay? Just send to me your questions and I'm going to answer it. Please study hard. This is not a vacation. Up till now, there is nothing cancelled from the curriculum. Okay? Today, let's start. We are going to talk about blood components and how to maintain circulatory system. I know that we have taken the blood components part in the class before, but there was a huge percentage of absence, so that's why we are going to revise it today. First of all, let's talk about blood. It's a red fluid. Red fluid means it's a red liquid, okay? يبقى what is blood? Blood is a red fluid or a red liquid that passes through blood vessels from the heart to the body and vice versa. We have said that blood vessels carry blood, right? That makes sense. يبقى blood is a red fluid that passes through blood vessels. Okay, what's meant by from the heart to the body and vice versa? Vice versa means the opposite. This means from the heart to the body and from the body to the heart, okay? What is the blood function? It keeps body temperature at 37 degree, okay? The healthy body temperature is at 37. Now let's take a deeper look on blood structure. Blood is composed of 4 components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma, okay? Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. First of all, red blood cells, okay? You are seeing it in the picture. It's the red cells that you are seeing. These red cells are without nuclei. What's meant by without nuclei? They have no core, okay? They have no core or no nuclei. Nuclei is the plural noun of nucleus, okay? عشان لو جالكوا في الامتحان nucleus تبقوا عارفين يبقى هي nuclei or nucleus, okay? طب what is the function of red blood cells? It carries gases, okay? It carries gases. ايه الجازز اللي inside our body? It's either oxygen or carbon dioxide. يبقى they carry oxygen and they carry carbon dioxide. Carrying oxygen from where? From the lungs to the body, and carbon dioxide from the body to the lungs, okay? يبقى because we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. That's why the lungs gives oxygen to the body through the red blood cells and vice versa regarding the carbon dioxide. Now, the white blood cells. They are the white blood cells with nuclei, okay? يبقى the white blood cells have nucleus or have nuclei, have a core, okay? And they have different forms or different shapes of nuclei, okay? Type. What is the function of the white blood cells? They are like the warriors. They defend our body against any microbe, okay? They attack germs, they attack microbes, so they defend the body against any microbes and germs by attacking them. Now let's talk about platelets. Platelets are small in size. They are small sized, okay? You can see it in the picture. They are the blue cells that you are seeing in the picture. Of course, in reality, they are not blue, but you've got the idea. They are small, okay? They are small. طب, what's the function of platelet? They heal wounds and stop bleeding. What's meant by bleeding? Loss of blood, okay? When I'm cut or when I'm wounded, what happens? I'm losing blood. طب, I'm losing blood forever? ولا this bleeding stops after a while? Yes, it stops after a while. طب, how they are stopped? By the platelets. Platelets heal wounds and stop bleeding by a process called coagulation. By a process called coagulation or forming a clot. Coagulation or forming a clot, okay? Both of these words are very important. Coagulation or forming a clot. Now the plasma. The plasma is the yellow fluid, okay? The yellow fluid that you are seeing in the picture. يبقى plasma is a yellow fluid that carries all blood components. It carries all blood components from red blood cells to white blood cells to platelets. يبقى the plasma, it carries all blood components and it also carries digested food. It carries all food material, digested food and protein. طب what else? It carries waste products, okay? It carries waste to get rid of it. يبقى the plasma is a yellow fluid that carries all blood components. It carries all food material, digested food and protein. It carries waste products. How to maintain circulatory system and how to keep it healthy. Maintain circulatory system means keeping it healthy. They both have the same meaning. And keeping our circulatory system healthy is the same idea as keeping our body healthy, from drinking water to exercising to eating well and so on. Let's read the slide together and explain more. Number one, exercise. Do physical exercises, okay? Why? To strengthen heart muscle. What's meant by strengthen heart muscle? To make our heart muscle stronger. يبقى exercise to make our heart muscle stronger. Number two, eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. طب what is healthy food? It's the food that is low in fats and low in salts. يبقى low in fats and low in salts. Number three, eat fruits and vegetables. Why? Because they are rich in iron, okay? Eat fruits and vegetables because they are rich in iron. Of course, these fruits and vegetables have to be fresh and have to be clean. Fresh and clean. What else? Number four, drink suitable or appropriate amount of water. Okay, suitable has the same meaning of appropriate, but know the both. يبقى drink suitable or appropriate amount of water, especially in summer days. Okay? Number five, to maintain our blood circulation or our circulatory system is to avoid infections and accidents, okay? Avoid catching microbes and germs and avoid accidents. What else? When wounded, keep your wound clean and treat it fastly. When wounded, okay, when you got cut, you have to keep this wound or this cut clean and treated fastly, okay? Covered and treated. What else? Number seven, avoid smoking and smokers. Why? Because it harms the heart and weakens the blood circulation, okay? It harms the heart, and it makes our blood circulation more weak or weaker, okay? That's it for today. We have finished lesson 1 in unit 2. We have finished the circulatory system as a whole. If you have any questions, send it to me on Class Dojo, and I'm going to upload for you another video for the urinary system.